How to change the default SMS or default messaging receiving app on your Vivo phone with Android 14 FunTouch OS 14, the global version. To switch to another SMS app as your default, pull this down twice and go into the settings right there. Once in this section here, you'll be taken to this, then go down until you see apps right there. As you enter into the apps section here, you'll now keep going down until you see default apps. Once here now, you're going to see these different default apps options. Then go down until you see SMS app right here. And of course, if it's a compatible app, it will appear there and it must be installed from the Play Store for it to appear here. Again, this is a global version. And on top of that, if you're looking to add Signal Messenger app, they won't appear there anymore as after the updates, they prevented that from happening. Okay, sorry, but that's how you would do it. Like and sub.